Boost your Bitcoin trading strategy with BingX. Tips and tricks for successful trades. Hey there, Ryan here. If you're looking to take your Bitcoin trading game to the next level, you've come to the right place, my friend. In this epic, mind-blowing article, I'm gonna spill the beans on some killer tips and tricks that'll have you raking in the dough like nobody's business. Now, I know what you're thinking, Bitcoin trading. Isn't that like super risky and complicated? Well, let me tell you, with the right strategy and a little bit of know-how, you can turn that volatility into your own personal cash cow. And let me tell you, I've been in the game for a while now and I've seen it all. The highs, the lows, the downright crazy swings. But I've learned a thing or two and I'm about to share it all with you. First and foremost, let's talk about the importance of choosing the right cryptocurrency exchange. Now, I know there are a ton of options out there, but let me tell you, BingX is where it's at. This platform is the bee's knees, the cream of the crop, the ultimate trading hub for all your Bitcoin needs. And get this, when you sign up using the referral code 911, you'll get a sweet little bonus to help you get started. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of Bitcoin trading strategies, shall we? One of the most important things to understand is the concept of market cycles. Bitcoin, like any other asset, goes through periods of ups and downs, and if you can learn to ride those waves, you'll be well on your way to making a killing. The key is to identify the trends early on and position yourself accordingly. For example, let's say you've noticed that Bitcoin is in a bull market. That means the price is steadily climbing and the overall sentiment is positive. In this case, you might want to focus on long-term investments, holding onto your coins and waiting for the price to reach new heights. On the flip side, if you're seeing a bearish market where the price is dropping and the overall sentiment is negative, you might want to consider short-term trading strategies, like buying and selling quickly to capitalize on the volatility. But it's not just about identifying the market cycles, my friends. You also need to have a solid understanding of technical analysis. Now, I know that might sound like a fancy schmancy term, but it's really just about understanding the patterns and trends in the market. Things like support and resistance levels, moving averages, and candlestick patterns can all give you a leg up on the competition. And let's not forget about risk management, my dudes. This is where the real magic happens. See, when it comes to Bitcoin trading, it's not just about hitting home runs, it's about minimizing your losses and protecting your hard-earned cash. That's where things like stop-loss orders and position sizing come into play. A stop-loss order is a way to automatically sell your coins if the price drops below a certain level, so you can cut your losses and live to trade another day. And position sizing. Well, that's all about figuring out how much of your portfolio you're willing to risk on any given trade. You don't want to be putting all your eggs in one basket, you know. But wait, there's more. Another crucial aspect of successful Bitcoin trading is staying on top of the latest news and developments in the crypto world. Things can change in the blink of an eye, and if you're not keeping your finger on the pulse, you could find yourself on the wrong side of a big move. That's why it's so important to stay informed, whether it's reading industry blogs, following influential crypto personalities on social media, or tuning into the latest podcasts and webinars. And let's not forget about the importance of diversification, my friends. Sure, Bitcoin might be the big kahuna of the crypto world, but there are plenty of other coins and tokens out there that are worth keeping an eye on. By spreading your investments across a range of different assets, you can reduce your overall risk and potentially increase your returns. Now, I know what you're thinking, diversification. That sounds like a lot of work. And you're not wrong, my friend. It does take a bit of time and effort to build a well-rounded portfolio. But trust me, it's worth it in the long run. Plus, with the right tools and resources, it doesn't have to be a total headache. That's where BingX comes in, my dudes. This platform is like a one-stop shop for all your crypto trading needs. Not only do they offer a wide range of trading pairs and features, but they also have a ton of educational resources to help you level up your game. And don't forget, when you sign up using the referral code 911, you'll get that sweet little bonus to help you get started. But let's not forget the most important part of all this, my friends, the emotional aspect of trading. See, Bitcoin trading isn't just about the numbers and the charts, it's also about the mental game. And let me tell you, it can be a wild ride. One minute you're riding high, watching your portfolio soar, and the next you're sweating bullets as the market takes a nosedive. That's why it's so important to have a solid emotional intelligence strategy in place. You need to be able to keep your cool under pressure, resist the temptation to make rash decisions, and stay focused on your long-term goals. And trust me, that's easier said than done. But with the right mindset and the right tools, you can absolutely crush it in the world of Bitcoin trading. And that's where BingX comes in, my friends. This platform isn't just about the technical stuff. They also have a ton of resources to help you develop the mental and emotional skills you need to be a successful trader. So, my dudes, what are you waiting for? It's time to take your Bitcoin trading game to the next level. Head over to BingX, sign up using the referral code 911, and get ready to ride the crypto wave to the moon. With the right strategy, the right tools, and the right mindset, there's no limit to what you can achieve. But remember, this isn't just about making a quick buck. It's about building a sustainable, long-term trading strategy that will serve you well for years to come. So keep your wits about you, stay informed, and always keep that end goal in mind. And don't forget, all the links and contact info you need are right here in the description and in the pinned comment below. So, what are you waiting for? Let's